It's not just about training these guys up to do the work that they're getting ready to do. It's really helping guys change their lives for the better.
I was at the Houston Area Women's Center. I went there on domestic violence and became homeless. I left Dallas and came to Houston. I fled for my life.
I was going through a whole lot at the time. Almost gave up hope, put it like that. Came here. Almost everybody in the program helped me out. I want to be able to do everything I can. I mean, move up in life, not sit in one spot.
I knew what it was like to be in that situation where you'd feel like there's no more hope. I was 22 at the time. I was a diesel mechanic in sustainment brigade. One tour to Afghanistan. 2 weeks in, boots on ground, I had to engage in some combat. It definitely took a toll on me, and I was jobless for a while, and I fell into a very, very bad state of depression. One day, I just decided enough is enough. I had to put my foot down and just started doing something about it. He told me about here at Goodwill that they needed an instructor for the CAMT position. This rundown of what the job requirements were and what it was all about. And she got into a part where she was talking about we're actually helping change people in crisis situations, people that are trying to transition themselves as well, trying to get out of a bad spot, and that did it for me.
One of the best teachers I ever had. I've been dropped out of school and went back to Job Corps, but I ain't had no teacher just sit back and really work with shit like that.
When he first came to us, he had nothing but a duffel bag of clothes, shoes on his feet, busted up phone, but no way of getting to work. Like nobody was hiring him.
The job I got now, my boss want me to learn more, move up, and it's working out good for me right now. Real good.
It's amazing because since then, I have turned my life around a lot.
With the course, what she learned here, and then she started working in the field, she just took off running as well. She started up her own little handyman service business, landscaping. She's working in apartment maintenance. She's working for her church.
They gave me everything I need, the training, tools I need, and it ain't cost me nothing, just my time. And I'm gonna make it pay off.
I would go to bed, I would be thinking about maintenance repair.
And I go back home a happier person every day. My kids see a totally different dad than what they had last year, and so I know that being here has a major part in contributing towards that. What we're doing here is a big deal. Definitely, there's a lot of changes coming through these doors.